Here's a tip for a very pleasant slime making experience. So when we made this fluffy slime, I was adding some cherry blossom and pear scent hand soap, and it smells amazing. It smells like a cherry blossom. It smells like kind of like candy, but also like a field of flowers, which is wonderful. And if you want to make your different slimes smell like different things, there's a way to do that. Here's what you gotta get. These things called essential oils. So it's kind of like super condensed liquids that are very, very, very potent and smell like very specific things. So this one smells like a peppermint. This one smells like lang lang, which is oh man, it's like a really fancy flower that smells really nice. We're gonna add it before we mix the final slime products together, so it's kind of easier to mix it. So we've prepared these two batches where it's still in the liquid goopy stage right before we add the borax, because it'd be easier to mix in. So I'm gonna make this one smell like the lang lang, like a super fancy flower. So all we need is a little bit. Oh, ooh. Ooh! It smells like a dream! Alright, that's that one. And I'm gonna make this other one smell, I think, like peppermint. The peppermint smells pretty good. Nice. Just a little, kind of like food coloring. Smells like a mint. So now I'm gonna add some food coloring to these guys to make them different colors than my other one. One's gonna be green and one's gonna be blue. Lang lang is gonna be green, and the peppermint's gonna be blue. Which puts you in a good mood. This one's gonna be cool. Phenomenal. Look at these. They're like light colored, they're pastel-y. Phenomenal. All right, so now we're gonna add borax to make them into fluffy slime. The final transition piece. I think that's pretty good for the first one. Now let's make our peppermint slime. Everybody, I'd like to welcome my good friend Jasmine to the bean table. Everybody, give Jasmine a All right, Jasmine, so we made 3 fluffy slimes here. We made each smell differently using essential oils in a couple of them. So we're gonna play a little game, right?
Okay.
I'm gonna give you the 3 smells, and you gotta match them up. The 3 smells that we have are peppermint, we got lang lang, which is a nice like flowery scent, and then we have cherry blossom and pear. So we have 3 different slimes. You can pick them up and smell them, and then see if you can match them up to the smells.
Okay.
Go for it. Describe what you smell.
This one smells really fresh and floral and sweet, maybe?
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Fair enough.
Oh, that's the peppermint for sure.
Okay, okay, all right.
All right. This one is more mild and it smells a little soapy. So I think this is the cherry blossom pear scent, and this one is the ylang ylang.
Okay, so we're gonna go lang lang, peppermint, and that's your final guess?
That's my final guess.
All right, you wanna know?
Yeah.
This one is the Lang Lang.
Great.
This is the peppermint. And this is the soap. So we got them all right. Hooray! Give it up for Desmond, everybody! 3 for 3. Way to go. So there's your tip, guys. If you want to make your slime smell nice, you could add some essential oils or some really nice smelling soap. Which one's your favorite?
My favorite's the peppermint.
Nice. I like the Lang Lang. Reminds me of like a meadow.
Nice.
Something like that.
Right on.
Good luck, guys. See you later.